Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use bin file, easy method. Start by creating a secure backup of the device and the original bin file. Next, verify the file checksum to prevent corrupt flashes and choose the correct flashing tool for your device. Prepare drivers and a stable connection, and follow the tool steps carefully to flash and verify success without risking bricked hardware. Gather the bin file, drivers, and flashing utility, and place them in one accessible folder on your computer. Check the file hash to confirm integrity and avoid corrupted transfers. Confirm the bin file is the correct build for your specific device model and hardware revision to prevent mismatches. Install any required drivers and disable automatic sleep or updates to maintain a stable flashing environment during the entire process. Connect the device and enter its bootloader or flash mode as instructed by the manufacturer or tool guide. In your flashing utility, load the bin file, set correct partitions or offsets, and begin the transfer while monitoring progress. After the tool confirms success and verifies checksums, safely reboot the device and run a quick functionality check to ensure firmware behaves as expected and no settings were lost during the flash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.